peeps, it's Anna from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be dealing with the Natural Sciences Life and Living Grade 9 question taken from the ECE November 2013 question paper. Let's dive straight in. We're going to be answering question 6 in that question paper, and this is a comprehension-based question, which means you need to read the extract here in order to answer question 6.1 up to 6.5. So we'll just read it real quick. It says that tuberculosis is one of South Africa's worst killer diseases. Up to 1 million people in the world die from TB each year. It used to be called consumption because it consumes the body, causing it to waste away. TB is caused by a bacterial infection of the lungs. It is spread from one person to another by inhaling the bacteria into the lungs when someone who has the disease coughs. The symptoms of TB are not wanting to eat, losing weight, having a fever, and sweating, getting chest pains, and coughing up blood. The disease can be discovered through an X-ray of the lungs. Fortunately, TB can be cured if it is recognized early enough. It is treated using drugs called antibiotics. So that's the small passage you need to read. You read it at least 2 times before you attempt answering the questions so that you can get the full meaning of what the passage means. Okay, but we're going to go straight and answer question 6.1. What causes tuberculosis? We read as we were reading the extract that tuberculosis is caused by a bacterial infection of the lungs. So now we know that bacteria is what causes tuberculosis. Okay. 6.2. Write the abbreviation of the term tuberculosis. The abbreviation of the term tuberculosis is TB. They've used the word in full in the first sentence, and then the next time they refer to it, they've used the abbreviated form, which is TB. Okay. 6.3. Explain briefly how tuberculosis is spread. And we did read about that. So we go back to the passage and then we find out that tuberculosis is spread from one person to another by inhaling the bacteria into the lungs when somebody who has the disease coughs. So this means that tuberculosis is spread through droplet infection. You can write droplet infection, or you can, if you don't know this phrase or if you don't remember it, you can just extract the sentence right as it is given in the passage and you still get your marks. Okay, 6.4 is asking about the symptoms of the disease as mentioned in the extract. This is important, as mentioned in the extract. You have to go back to the passage and look for the symptoms. Don't think of other symptoms that you may have heard of. Focus on what is given here. So let's do that. One symptom is not wanting to eat, losing weight, having a fever and sweating, getting chest pains, and coughing up blood. So you can choose any of those that are given there and get your full 4 marks. Now, 6.5 asks us to suggest 2 preventative measures for tuberculosis. Okay, now from reading about what causes tuberculosis and how it's spread, you can now start to think about, so how can we spread this disease? And how can you prevent yourself as well as others from catching the disease? That's the angle that you can answer this question from. So we've heard that it spreads through bacterial infection of the lungs. Okay, so if you have tuberculosis, you can prevent it from spreading through covering your cough or not mixing with other people when you're sick, isolating yourself. You can make use of early detection or prophylaxis. This is a fancy word meaning medicine that prevents a person from getting tuberculosis. Okay, I've given you 2 extra ones, and you have also the leeway to put your suggestions. Think about what do you think could be a way to prevent tuberculosis from spreading to yourself or to others. So that's it for question 6 of this question paper. But before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read about them in the description below. Be sure to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, You can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.